Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is time for Amazon unboxing. Big old box today. From my good friends over at Yeacar. Sent me this to show you guys what they have to offer. And you guys could get one at a low cost right now. Just click on the link down below. Check them out on Amazon. Take advantage of the Prime. This is going to be sweet. Let me put you guys down. Sorry about staring at the box. At least give you the swoosh. But here comes the rip or the cut. And I hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We made it this week. It is hump day. Good old Wednesday. There we go. And they have to offer. Oh wow. Take a look at this, YouTube. Alright, I can get this thing out. Pretty heavy. There we go. Get the box out. Knock it down. And I'm going to show the full potential of this thing right after the unboxing part. Here we go. It is a queen size air mattress by Yeacar. Bringing your colorful life. Here we go. Here's all the good stuff. Airbed, edge support, curved beams, velveteen dream. There we go, queen size, 60 by 80 by 18. Now let's get this thing out of the box. And then I'll go in my other room to set it up, and then like I said, right after this part you'll see the full thing, the inflating part and the deflating part. This is how you open it. Sure, it's kind of interesting, kind of like the bed in the box, like from Eat, Sleep and all them. That's something different for your cottages and stuff. Maybe if you're on a budget, for a college dorm, for an apartment, for temporary use, in case you got guests over. You don't want them sleeping on a couch. I used to sleep on a couch for 6 months and that was rough. So, I wish I had one of these back then. Now it's all good. It comes with a nice travel bag. Oh, it is heavy. I think that's the motor for the pump. It comes with a built-in pump, warranty and everything. Here is a nice bag. Boom, Yeacar. Pretty sweet. There it is. Just want to make sure you guys are not just staring at the bag. Let me pull it out. Nice travel. There we go. It's pretty heavy though. It is a queen size, so I'm not sure if they have any other sizes right now, but as far as I know, it's only a queen. There's a pump, inflate, deflate. Like I said, I'm gonna go set this up in the room, and before I hit the switches, I'll hit the record button. Let's just show you guys how it deflates, then inflates, or inflates and deflates. So pretty cool. Here's a power source, power supply, all the good stuff. It's gonna be fun. And you guys gotta sit tight. Here's it. Here's what I mean. Inflate, off, deflate, power, cord. And like I said, I just gotta take it to my other room, and then we'll have it set up. Alright, give me 1 second. Alrighty, YouTubers, here I am. I had to clean out my other mattresses and stuff. But here's a queen size Yeacar on Amazon Prime. Inflatable mattress. So at queen size right now. Got the velveteen color. Got it plugged in. Got the pump down here. It is turned off. And we just gotta hit inflate. Let's see how long this takes. That's going. There it goes. It's rising. Kind of loud, but like I said, good for temporary use. There it goes. So far we're about a minute. Getting some air in it. Maybe a minute and a half. There's a fan. It's gonna be noisy. There it goes. But like I said, I believe that's only the queen size they have right now. And we're going to see how comfortable it is and all that good stuff in a second. So about 2 minutes and it's almost there. Whoa. It's getting there. Bam, 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 bam. It's rising. Dang. There they go. Go ninja. Go ninja. I'm not sure if it shuts off when it's filled. So I'm gonna give it a minute or so. Look at that. It's about 2 minutes. Holy moly. I don't want to pop it. There we go. Look at that. Under 3 minutes. I got a bed. Awesome. It's pretty... Yeah, it's pretty comfortable. Alright. So thank you, Yeacar, for sending me this bed. And you guys can get one. Be safe. See you guys soon. See ya.